So how do you look at it holistically? As in, what are the areas that you think going digital has helped beyond productivity?
See, productivity is one side. I agree with you. In our mind, we had productivity, quality, and machine maintenance and health, of course. So after this, productivity is one side, which I have already told you. On the quality part also, because once your machine is healthy, quality definitely is bound to come. Normally, quality is is the output, according to me. We should produce quality rather than inspection through inspection or something like that. So to produce quality, you need man, you need material, you need machine, right? So man, once you are putting digitization, means you are trying to get something in de-skilling of the manpower. That is one. A machine, as far as you are able to get the data from machine on timely, how much current it is consuming, how much vibration level, temperature level, and all those things. So definitely machine you are keeping in a good condition. So quality, yes, our straight pass from the machines have increased because we could avoid breakdowns. We could avoid, unnecessary, fluctuations in the machine, vibrations in the machine, because we are into, as I told you, the plant. This one plant makes locks for automotive industry, and our keys are, made inside the plant, from milling to blanking to including key biting, the shapes what you see on the key profiles. So these are all intricate machines, all imported machines with a high capacity of volumes. But of late, we were not able to get that productivity because of various reasons. After this, implementation, we are able to, get the desired quantities also and quality also.